Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, introduce. My name is Siti Nabilah.
My name is Firda Anjani.
My name is Nurmaida.
My name is Ardan. Today we want to make delicious and crunchy bakwan.
If you want to know how to make it,
Keep
watching
watching our
video.
video.
Bye bye.
Okay, this is the tool and the ingredients. Cabbage, carrot, spring onion, 3 onion, water, masako, cooking oil, pepper, and white flour. Okay, and this is the cutting board, knife, container, stir.
The first step is cutting cabbage and carrot. The second step is to cut onion until smooth. Then cut the spring onion. The step 3 is put the wheat flour in a container. Add water. Then add masako and pepper. Add the onion and spring onion has been cut. Then stir until everything is mixed thoroughly. Step 4. Enter the vegetable that have been cut before. Then stir well. Step 5. Heat the pan. After the oil in the pan is hot, add the bakwan mixture earlier. Then remove the dough if it is golden.
Okay, bakwan is ready to be enjoyed.